Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo C30. In this video I'll show you all keyfob functions. Firstly, let's lock the car. And now once the car is locked, press and hold unlock button. Thanks to this, you can remotely open and close the windows. To close them, press and hold lock button. Now, once the car is closed, you can press this button to unlock only trunk. Next, you can press this button to enable and disable position lights. In the end, we've got this button, which is actually the panic button. If you press it, your car will use horn. Press it again to disable this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.